Audiobooks, are they really necessary for 2019? The answer might surprise you.
For $20,000 a month.
Hey everybody, Emeka coming at you from the Blueprint Publishing Academy. And if you want to learn 3 things here on the channel, how to increase your income, to take back your freedom, so you can design your ultimate lifestyle, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn bell notifications on, and comment and say hello. All right, so today we're talking about ACX and audiobooks. And is it really necessary right now to go all in on this audiobook gold rush, if you will, for 2019 with self-publishing? And the answer is, of course it is. Don't you like money? Jeez. Audiobooks are the fastest growing segment in terms of the way people absorb or take in content right now. You have to have an audiobook for your book. You're leaving so much money on the table by not having an audiobook. You have to have an audiobook in this day and age for self-publishing. One of the reasons why it's such a great option to have that audiobook option there is customers. You want to make sure you're giving them all three options to purchase their book: ebooks, paperbacks, and audiobooks. Because some people like to consume their content or their information differently than others. Some books are better on audio. Some books are better having the actual physical copy. And then some are just better in ebook form. So giving your customers an option ensures that they're able to select the option that they don't want or that they want. Because think about this, right? What if they go to your book and it's whatever it is, weight loss, and they want to buy the book, and they're like, they've read the description, everything looks good. They're like, yeah, I want to get an audio version of this so I can listen to it at the gym, go out for a run, whatever the case is, and you don't have it. All you have is ebook and paperback. What are they going to do? They're just going to be like, okay, hit back and go look for somebody else's book. So you miss out on that sale. So you have to have all 3 options for your customers. Anything less is stupid. Another big advantage is it's a completely different market. So here's the deal. Some books that might bomb on KDP on Amazon do really, really well on Audible, right? I've done that with some of my books. They don't do too well on paperback, right? They just kind of chug along, but then you put them over on ACX and they just blow up. Because it's a different kind of customer that's actually searching over on the Audible ACX platforms. They're completely different than the ones that are over on Amazon. And you might be like, well, they're all owned by Amazon. That's true, but they're still different. So it's a very, very different market. So a book that might not be doing well on Amazon might do really, really well over on Audible ACX. How do you make the absolute most money from ACX in 2019 in order to fully take advantage of ACX and maxing out your royalties from them? Don't let anybody fool you. It's not just publishing a ton of books on ACX. Those days are gone. Now, where do you learn this? Well, I'm going to recommend a couple different resources down below, some free, some paid, where you can learn exactly what it takes to make an absolute killing on ACX. Hey, let me know, are you on ACX already? How's it going? What other questions do you have? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more, or if there's a specific video that you want to learn about, let me know in the comments as well. I'd love to take a look at your ideas there. Till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka, and we'll speak to you all soon.